I've got a Sleepy Owl packet here, and I'm going to showcase how packages could be mixed with augmented reality to give more education to the customers about the product and how to use the product. So I've stuck a QR code right inside the box, and there's the real stuff is inside here, the packages and the thank you note and everything. But as soon as my camera detects the QR code, I can see a URL pop up on the top. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and when I do that, it takes me to a web page which is loading. And so you can see the Sleepy Owl coffee branding here and a button that tells me to enable the camera, and there's some notes that I can see at the bottom. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on the camera, allow the camera access, and I can see a video playing on top of the QR code here. Let me just move away and come back, so we see that the video is still playing, which basically shows how to brew my coffee and mix some great milk with it and sip that amazing Sleepy Owl coffee. There you go. Thank you for watching the video.